Hello student, good morning. How are you all? Yes, in our last video we had learned about how to type in a computers and also learn how to use your fingers when you type on a computers. Okay, and what is the difference between 2 finger and 10 finger? And you all know that a user who uses all his 10 fingers can work faster and more efficient. Okay, so in this video you will learn about features in MS Word. Okay, this is just sixth chapter of your computer. I think you have already learned about MS Word and also used it to type letter, application and other document formatting and editing tools are used to design each page of your document. Okay, so here we shall know about MS Word 2010. You can open MS Word as follow. Click on start button. The start menu will be appear. Click on all program. Select Microsoft Office. Click on MS Word 2010. Okay, this a blank document will be appear on your screen. But here you will learn word processor. All you know that word processor software is used for writing text. It also provide different features that are helpful while creating a document. Okay, so the different features are inserting and deleting text, spelling and grammar, thesaurus, find and replace, bullet, numbering and others. So here first topic is inserting text in a document. Suppose you are writing a letter and you want to insert a new text between your paragraphs. So how can you insert? Yes, you can easily add or insert new text in your document. Okay, but how? Yes, click on the location in your document where you want to insert new text. Insertion point will be appear. In this example you can see I insert a new text here. This is insert text. Okay, so when I insert text here, insertion point will be appear. Okay, the text you type will appear where the insertion point flashed on the screen. Suppose your insertion point will be flash here, so when you write it will be starting from here. Okay, yes, type the text you want to insert. To insert a blank space or press the space bar of the keyboard. Okay, to work to the right of the new text, move forward. Okay, it is a simple step where you can insert your text. Next is a deleting text in a document. You can remove or delete the text that is no longer needed. Okay, but how can you delete your text? Yes, select the text you want to delete. Here I select the paragraph I want to delete it. So when you select your paragraph it will be highlighted on your screen. Okay, and then press the delete key from the keyboard to remove the text, or you can also delete to the press right button of your mouse and then select delete option. Okay, the text disappears from here. The remaining text in the line or paragraph move to fill the empty source. Okay, now undoing features. What is undo features? Yes, the undo features on the quick access toolbar is used to reverse action you take while working on a document. Suppose you want to write a letter and by mistake your text is deleted. Okay, So if you want to recover your text, so this features is very useful, that is undo. The shortcut keys to undo your text is Control Z. Control Z is used to undo your text. Okay, so this feature is useful when you by mistake delete text and want to recover it. The next feature is spelling and grammar mistake. While inserting text in MS Word, you might have noticed the word underlined with red and green color. Okay, so these colors line identify the spelling and grammatical mistake in your document. Okay, so in this example you can see here it is a color of red. Okay, so red show the spelling mistake and green show the grammatical mistake. So you can see the word, compare every word of the document with the word in a dictionary. If the type word does not match with the word in a dictionary, it considered a misspelled and underlined with the red line. Okay, so you can correct your spelling. Just click on review tab on your ribbon, review tab, and click on spelling and grammar button. Okay, so this word automatic underline misspelled word in a red. Okay, the next is a correcting a mistake by right clicking. When you find a spelling or grammar mistake, you can just right click on your underlined text. The menu that appears show possible correction. Click on correction from the menus. Here you can choose your correct word. If you cannot find your word, you can choose ignore. Okay, to ignore error you can click on ignore or click on ignore all for all instant of the error. Okay, the next one is using thesaurus. The thesaurus is a list of a word grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. So MS Word provide a thesaurus through which you can find your word to express meaning more accurate. Okay, the shortcut command of using thesaurus is Shift plus F7. Okay, next is a finding and replacing text. You can find your text. Suppose you are writing a letter and you can find your text. So click on just beginning of your document. Click on home tab on the ribbon. Click on replace button. Okay, so you can find and replace text from here. Okay, so here you can see find what and replace with. Replace or ignore the matching word until a dialog box appear informing you that the search is completed. Okay, and in the last you can click on OK to replace with. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This is the first part of your chapter. In the second part you will learn how you can changing text case, what is bullet and numbering, what is drop cap feature, what is changing the line spacing, and many more. Okay, so stay tuned.